Does the Scandinavian philosophy of Volvo truly surpass Bavarian precision? Two highly regarded SUVs, the Volvo XC90 and BMW X5, have been competing for drivers' attention for years, and their advanced safety systems have earned them the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award from IIHS. Modern tests emphasize rear seat passenger protection, and both models achieve strong ratings, though with some differences. Both models earned top ratings in the IIHS crash tests, but some differences stand out. In the BMW X5, the rear dummy showed no elevated risk of injuries, though its head came uncomfortably close to the front seat back. In the Volvo XC90, there was a slightly increased risk of chest and head injuries for rear seat passengers. These details could make a difference in real-world scenarios.